Hello guys, in this video we'll be creating a custom object for job posting sites. This is the second video in data model for recruiting app. In the first video we have created a custom object for reviews, so it's going to be mostly a similar video. So to create an object, let's jump into our setup and then to our object manager. And as you might have guessed, it's create new custom object. Let's copy and paste the given fields. It's a simple job. Let's change the record name to site name. Let's enable our reports and track field history. Let's allow search as well. And let's enable add notes and attachments, as well as let's check in the launch new custom tab as well. Let's go ahead and save it. And once the custom wizard has loaded, let's make sure the object is job posting site, which is selected by default. Okay, now let's try to find the real estate sign. Okay, we have found it, but I don't know why we have a 1 inside it. Let me try to find it via search. Okay, it says 1 on 1, so there's only one real estate sign. Wait, I'm unable to check it. Yeah, got it. Okay, so once you've selected the real estate sign, let's go ahead with the next. And there's nothing much to change on this tab, so let's go ahead to the next page. So once we are here, it says we have to deselect the include tab. So as you can see, the include tab is the first most checkbox, so make sure to deselect that. Our append tab to users has been checked. Once you've done both of them, let's go ahead and save it. Okay, now we have created the custom object job posting site. Now let's create some custom fields. To do that, let's jump into fields and relationships and click on new. And the first custom field we'll be creating is a URL. So I believe that's the last one. So let's go with next. Once you've selected that, and copy our field label, slam with the Control V. There's pretty much nothing to change, so it's just next, 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 and save. So here you can click save and new to save a bit of time, because we'll be creating another custom field. Okay, so the second field we are creating over here is a pick list. So let's find the pick list. Yep, and next. So let's enter our field label as status. So here we enter values, each value separated by a new line. Okay, so we have to select the second checkbox in the values. Once you've selected that, you see a checkbox. So let's type in active and inactive as mentioned. And once you've done that, the same thing. Let's go ahead and save it after next, next. Okay, this is our third custom field, which is a checkbox. So let's copy paste technical site. Then go ahead with our save and new. This is the final custom field we'll be creating in job posting site, which is a text area. So make sure you select the right field label, which is the text area, because there are too many text variants. And let's copy paste the field label, following it with the final save. Okay, so we have created a custom field called job posting site, and then we have custom object called job posting site, and then we have created 4 custom fields inside job posting site. So we have done pretty much everything stated in the challenge, so it should be pretty good to go. Yep, that's wonderful. See you in the next video. Bye bye.